Hello, welcome to Basic Scratch episode 10. Basic Scratch is a series of tutorials about the Scratch program language, and it's based on the book called Basic Scratch available at the Amazon Kindle store. Today's topic will be user input. With Scratch, we can create programs or projects that are standalone, so that don't need any user input. They work all by themselves. But we can also create projects that run depending on user input. Today we'll talk about this topic. Let's create a program without user input. For example, I go to the looks category block and I will drag the say block to the scripts area, and I will type the sum of 2 plus 2 is 4, and I will click the block, and you see it just displayed the sum of 2 plus 2 is 4, and there isn't any user input. We can change this script and include some user input in it. So we leave this say block and we'll change it to, or no, we will remove this say block and we will go to the sensing category and we will drag and drop an ask block to the scripts area, and we will type what is the sum of 2 plus 2. When you click this block, it will ask the user for input, and it will save the input. Whatever the user types, it will save it in a variable called answer that you will see here in the sensing category. This is the variable that will save the user input. So for example, if I click on this block, you see it asks you what is the sum of 2 plus 2, and there's a field for you to write the input. So I write 4, and you can either click enter or you can click on this button right here. I will click enter and it will save it in answer, in the answer block. You don't see it now, so if you want to see the answer, you can go to the looks category and you can drag and drop a save block to the scripts area, go back to the sensing category, and you can drag and drop the answer block in the text field in the save block. So what will happen is, if I click on this script, it will ask me what is the sum of 2 plus 2, and whatever I answer, it will say it back. It will display it for 2 seconds. Let's see if it really does this. So I'll click on it. It says what is the sum of 2 plus 2, and it will wait until the user input. So I'll input 4, click enter, and it will say 4. Now I can enter any input, so I can enter right or wrong answers and it won't do anything. So if I click again on it, it says what is the sum of 2 plus 2. I can input a wrong answer like 6 and it won't do anything. Now to make it better, I can include a conditional statement where it will tell me if the answer is right or wrong. To do this, I'll go to the control category and I'll drag and drop an if then else statement to the scripts area, and I'll go to the operators category and I will drag and drop this block with an equal sign. There is the left field, there's a right field, and there's an equal sign. I'll go again to the sensing category and I'll drag and drop the answer to the left field, and on the right I will input 4. So it says, the conditional statement says, if the answer, which is the user input, is equal to 4, then do something here, else do something below. I'll go to the looks category and I'll drag and drop a say block both to the first field and the second field underneath the else statement. In the first one, so if the answer is correct, if the user input is equal to 4, which is the answer to 2 plus 2, I will say you are a genius because the answer is correct. If the answer is false, so if the user input is anything but 4, I will say please try again because the answer is wrong. Let's see if it does this. I'll click on the script. It says what is the sum of 2 plus 2. First of all, I'll test it with the correct answer, which is 4. Click enter and it says you are a genius. Works perfectly. I'll click the script again and now I'll input the wrong answer and see if it really tells me please, I forgot the E after the S, if it really tells me please try again because the answer is not correct. So I'll input 6, which is not the right answer. Click enter and it says please try again, not please 6 but just please try again. Yes, 6, please try again. Now we can make this script even better because now it only asks you for input once, and if it's the correct answer it just tells you you're a genius, then the program stops running. And if it's wrong, you you cannot keep trying again. The answer stops after telling you, the program stops after telling you that please try again. Now we want to make it so that if you enter a wrong answer, you can keep trying until you have it correct. To do this, we'll change the part beneath the else statement. We'll take this, we'll remove this say block, we go to the control block, and we will drag and drop the repeat until block underneath the else statement. In the repeat until, we will drag and drop this equal operator and then also the answer block, and we will input 4. So until answer equals 4, keep doing whatever we're going to input in the repeat until block, which is we're going to embed the say block and we're going to embed an ask block underneath the say block. In the say block we're going to say please try again, and in the ask block we're going to say what is the sum of 2 plus 2. Now the last block we need to put in this script is another say block. So we go to the loops category, drag and drop a say block all the way below the script, and we'll say you are a genius. Okay, let's see what the script does. So it will start. We can also put an event, so when it will start running. I'll drag and drop when green flag click, that it will start running this script. Okay, what will happen? So when you click the green flag, it will ask you for input and it will state the question, what is the sum of 2 plus 2? If your answer equals 4, which is the correct answer, it will say you are a genius and the script will stop running. You had the right answer. If you have anything besides 4, it will move to the else section, and as long the answer is not 4, as long as the answer is not 4, it will keep telling you please try again and what is the sum of 2 plus 2. And after that, if you have the right answer, it will say you are a genius. Let's try this. Let's try this first with the right answer and then with the wrong answer. Okay, let's click on the green flag. What is the sum of 2 plus 2? I'll input the right answer, which is 4. You're a genius. Boom. The script stops running. That's it. Let's try it again now with the wrong answer. So it will ask me again, what is the sum of 2 plus 2? I'll enter a wrong answer, 5. Click enter. And it will say again, please try again. What is the sum of 2 plus 2? Which is, it will run this part in the else section. So it will keep repeating this until the answer equals 4. Again, I will input the wrong answer, 6. It will ask me again, please try again. So it will keep asking me, please try again. And what is the sum of 2 plus 2? As long as I don't have 4. As, as soon as I enter 4, click enter, it will go to the last save block, which is all the way underneath the script, and it will say you are a genius for 2 seconds, and that's it. The script ends. This was the tutorial, like I said, about user input. Of course, you can do a lot more, but this was just a basic introduction to user input. I hope this was informative and helpful. Thank you for watching.